wishing for something that ain't lost. Have we got our lines crossed? We're wasting time on stuff that doesn't really matter, while wishing for something better. I try to fix things that weren't broken, misunderstandings and words unspoken. We fall apart and I won't dare to say, do you feel the same way? Maybe you don't wanna know, but you don't see what you have in front of you. Or maybe I'm not enough for you, so maybe I should go. If I had known from the start, this wouldn't have ended with broken hearts. 'Cause I don't wanna waste my time. Same way, then don't pretend that everything's okay. Don't string me along the way you do. Just let me get over you. Maybe you don't wanna know, but you don't see what you have in front of you. Or maybe I'm not enough for you, so maybe I should go. If I had known from the start, this wouldn't have ended with broken hearts. 'Cause I don't wanna waste my time, no. I don't wanna waste my time, no. Ooh.
So guys, yes, my packages arrived. I'm super excited to collaborate with No Issue. I received their stock craft mailers. Finally, I can get rid of my ugly white envelopes I use that I used to mail my sticker sheets. I think these are the perfect size. As you can see, they're a little bigger than the white envelope, but I think my stickers are gonna be a lot safer in this craft mailers. I think they're the perfect size, to tell you the truth. I got the smaller option, but they also have bigger sizes to choose from, so just go and take a look at the website if you want. I'm gonna pack a few orders to see how everything fits, but so far I love it. I love that these craft mailers are made from 100% recycled material, and they are also reusable. As you can see, it has the double sticky tape so that you can send it to somebody and they can use it a second time by just taking the little sticky adhesive tape from it. I've been trying to make my packaging a little more sustainable, so what better way than using this 100% compostable. Thank you No Issue for sending me these mailers. I really appreciate it. I'm definitely gonna use them.